With snow removal continues across the mid-state.
And continues to be a problem in some places. One community insisting their streets aren't being cleared as quickly as other areas. Our Mackenzie Gerald is here with that. Mackenzie.
Yeah, Alicia and Dennis, people in smaller communities say they feel overlooked when it comes to snow removal compared to those who live in cities like Harrisburg or Lancaster. Shoveling and snow plowing. Cleanup continues across the mid-state days following Sunday's snowstorm. Michelle Moyer, the city of Harrisburg's communications director, said in a statement, "We are not done yet, but we are not stopping. Crews are working around the clock, and the work now is as much hauling as it is plowing." Yet, residents of Lyconsboro, Dauphin County haven't seen snow plows since the weekend.
The borough doesn't do anything. They'll enact a snow emergency. We can't park on the streets. Everybody crams into the side streets. The side streets are never plowed. They bury the cars if they're not out, and then they say, oh, we're going to clean up the snow, and it never happens.
So Leah Tomlin's husband took it upon himself to snow blow Friday afternoon.
I've been to other areas like if you go up to Tower City, they've had a dumpster and a dozer out moving it so people can actually park. Millersburg was actually doing that yesterday.
Tomlin believes smaller communities like Lycons are often overlooked.
100%, especially like towns like ours. Yes, we have 209, so the state does plow our road, but it remains on the borough to clean our side streets, clean up what PennDOT plows, and they just haven't.
And her neighbor up the street agrees.
We get forgotten about here. So I'm 63 years old and I have arthritis severely bad, and it's very hard for me to do this. And you can't get kids to do it anymore. You offer to pay them, and they don't want to bother with it.
Now, I did reach out to Lyconsboro to see how these residents could get some more help, but I have not heard back yet. Dennis?
Mackenzie, thanks so much.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the home page, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.